No, it's not hard because the reason it works is because it's so simple. I'll tell you that the thing is the operating system is what counts in this. Anyway, I put that together and we built them, and we didn't know we were building them. Then we noticed that Allen Bradley and General Motors and all were interested in something to solve the problem. So they came out with a spec, but we didn't follow the spec. As I said, I didn't follow that. I just built one. Simplicity. And in simplicity, I use relay logic. The programmable controller is a box of relays. And this relay is on the 8 to 10 outputs to get this configuration. That's all there is. There's no software per se. And I remember the Americans didn't want to do that like a fiend. And Toyota credits me with making them a big company. Because the Japanese at that time couldn't understand American software. And who can today? So the only guys, so I never do nothing with the software guy design. And so the guys, we put it together, and then we made them, and the thing took off like a bandit. We couldn't keep up. Couldn't keep up with it. The more orders were coming, GE was a buyer of our stuff and selling it under their own name. You know that too, don't you?
Good.
Without permission.
Huh.
An interesting story on that one. General Motors was, well, okay, we'll buy it, but we want a declining price. You know, we'll buy them first will be 10% off list, 20. Finally, we're down 50% off list, and I was panicked because we know we couldn't do that. You know, we couldn't buy the parts for that because we're a little company.
Mm-hmm.
You know, 20 guys in this garage kind of thing. So, my friend says, no, take the deal. Why? He says, no, just take the deal. One of those, hello, $1,000 bill. How are you? Another $3,000. One of those lawyers. So where do we get the money? So Ernie Valhalla said, he's trying to use digital equipment, the mini computer, to do the job, and they weren't reliable. You couldn't pour Coke on them and all that stuff. So the programmable controller is a box of relays. Turn this relay on. These 4 things. We only had 4 outputs. Mathematically, you only need 3, but I put 4 in, and then the guys made an infinite string, which is the wrong way to go. Einstein says, make everything as simple as you can, but no simpler. You take stuff out is the way to make a product, not put stuff in. For example, you don't know all the things you can do with that thing. Why is it in there? Because the software guys put it there. Okay, you want to pull them out. Anyway, when we put those things together, and where do we get the money? Ernie Valhalla, the General Motors guy, he was the buyer innovator, and I was the designing innovator, and the company, Lee Russell, and one of the other guys were the sales guys at Modicon. You know, so Ernie Valhalla says, I can get the money. I said, how do you do that? He says, I'll call it maintenance. We got an infinite budget in General Motors. What do you mean an infinite budget? It's called repair. The automation line is down. Fix it. I don't care what it costs. So whenever you
Really?
Yeah. So he used the repair and maintenance budget to build a.
Wow.
He didn't build a product. He just siphoned that off because he was repairing. He literally threw out the digital. I remember the president of the digital equipment company. Why are you doing this? And he poured Coke over his digital equipment. Don't do that. I get it.